A fart is a pleasant thing. It gives the belly ease, it warms the bed in winter, and suffocates the fleas. A fart can be quiet, a fart can be loud, and some leave a powerful poisonous cloud. A fart can be short, or a fart can be long. Some farts have been known to sing like a song. A fart can create a most curious melody. A fart can be harmless or silent and deadly. A fart might not smell while others are vile. A fart may pass quickly or linger a while. A fart can occur in numerous places and leave everyone there with strange looks on their faces. From wide open prairie to mall elevators, a fart will find all of us sooner or later. But farts are not all bad. It simply is true. We must never forget sweet old farts like you.